Welcome to the fourth edition of Festival of Wellbeing. My first question to you is, what do you think of a forum like this? How does this help the industry?
Hi, I'm Dr. Bhavna Gautam. I'm a functional medicine specialist focusing on metabolic and mental health. And a forum like this, thank you BW for actually getting people from different walks of life, different perspectives, different specializations, because this is exactly what health and wellness needs to be. It needs to be expansive, it needs to be curious, it needs to be evolving. And I think this is exactly what conversations like this tend to do, by bringing in ideas, by bringing in experiences which increase the scope of what health and wellness should be about.
What does wellness mean to you, and how has it impacted your personal and professional life? Also, adding to this, one question: how is the well-being evolved in the spectra of motherhood?
So, as somebody who came from the medical field, wellness, I believe I had a very, very myopic view of wellness to start with. It generally just focused on the physical health, symptomatic management for people. Today, when you ask me about wellness, I believe that the definition has grown not just to include the person but also the environment that they are in. So that's the reason why wellness today is not segregated into mental, physical, emotional, social. When you're well, you just know you're well. All these elements have to align together. Another thing is that wellness is not something that you achieve and you stay there. It is not something, which is an optimal state. It is along a spectrum. There are days, there are good days, there are bad days. Some days you could be doing well physically and not emotionally. Some days you could be doing well socially but not financially. You need to realize that resilience to come back to the optimal state again and again is exactly what wellness is about. So wellness should be empowering you to come together even on those difficult days to that optimal level of functioning, to being the best version of you that you can be.
And the evolution of well-being in the motherhood space.
Again, like we just spoke in that wonderful session we had out there, where motherhood was just confined to being pregnant, being healthy while pregnant, and then giving birth. Today motherhood is about having a mother who understands that she needs to be as healthy and as well and as happy for the child's well-being too. So the focus is not entirely on bringing up a child, the focus is also on designing an ecosystem which brings up the mother too. So the conversation now shifts to creating communities, to creating cultures and conversations where mothers are also evolving along with the growth of the child.